This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by Ray Johnson. Townhome in historic Old Fourth Ward. Ready to move in? New paint inside and out with hardwoods throughout. This is a great home with an open floor plan, west/high ceilings, fireplace has custom bookcases, dining area and open kitchen have stainless steel appliances, solid counters and breakfast bar, and opens out to covered deck, which is great for entertaining. Large master suite has double closets and front balcony for early morning coffee or watching stars at night. The master has a beautiful ensuite west/shower and an soaking tub. Guest room also has a private ensuite bath. Convenient upstairs laundry. Private deeded 2-car garage. Walking community. Just steps to the Beltline, Krog Market, and so much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Ray Johnson at 404-771-9336.